Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this HUAWEI. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on home screen and wallpaper. Then select themes over here, scroll all the way down and tap on more themes. Over here, as you can see, you have a lot of options. I will go with B, so I have to click on this theme over here and just download. After that, we need to wait a bit. And choose apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!